You don't need 10 plants. You don't need a jungle. In fact, most people ruin their apartments by adding too many plants without a system. What if I told you, with just 3 plants you can fix your space, improve your lighting balance, and make your apartment feel complete? Today, I'll show you the exact 3-plant system that works in almost any apartment. And more importantly, how to place them so they define your space. Part 1, Why most people fail with plants. People don't fail because of plant care. They fail because of random placement. Too many small plants. No structure. No visual hierarchy. The result is always the same: clutter, stress, and plants struggling to survive. Part 2, the 3-plant system overview. The system is incredibly simple. Plant 1, the anchor for structure. Plant 2, the support for balance. Plant 3, the flow for movement. These 3 plants together create stability, depth, and visual flow. And they do all of this without overcrowding your limited space. Before we go deeper, there's a very common mistake people make when building this exact setup. And it actually makes the apartment feel smaller, not bigger. I'll show you exactly what this mistake is, and how to easily avoid it in a few minutes. But first let's build the system correctly. Part 3, Plant number 1, the anchor. This is your foundation. It is your main plant. It defines the space. Best types for this are snake plant, rubber plant, or parlor palm. Placement: put it in a corner near a light source, or next to large furniture. The golden rule here: only 1 anchor per room. If you add more than 1, you create visual conflict and the room feels heavy. Part 4, Plant number 2, the support. This plant provides balance. It connects the space. It is not too big, and not too small. Best types: ZZ plant, Chinese evergreen, or medium pothos. Placement: side table, shelf edge, or near your seating area. It fills the visual gap. Quick note: I used to think more plants equaled a better space. At one point, I had 8 plants crammed into a small room. It looked messy. And ironically, everything felt smaller. It wasn't until I reduced them to exactly 3 that the space actually started to feel calm. Part 5, Plant number 3, the flow. This provides movement. It is the most underrated element in any room design. Best types: pothos, string of hearts, or trailing philodendron. Place them on a high shelf, hanging from the ceiling, or at the edge of tall furniture. Part 6, Solving the mistake. Remember the mistake I mentioned earlier? Here it is: placing all 3 plants on the exact same level. This destroys depth. If all plants are on the floor, or all on the same shelf, the eye sees a flat line. And flat equals small. The fix: use vertical separation. Anchor on the floor. Support at mid-height. Flow above eye level. Now you have height, depth, and movement. Part 7, the layout formula. In any apartment, choose 1 tall plant for the corner, 1 mid-plant near you, and 1 trailing plant above. That's it. No clutter. Part 8, the light alignment trick. Align plants with light zones. Anchor goes to the brightest area. Support takes medium light. Flow gets flexible placement. Bonus secret: the unifying trick. To make these 3 different plants look like a deliberate design system, put them in pots of the exact same color. If you like simple systems that actually work in real apartments, subscribe to the Urban Leaf. Next, I'll show you how to design a full apartment room by room. Minimal setups feel intentional. They create calm. In small apartments, less structure creates noise. But a simple 3-plant system changes everything. If this system made sense to you, leave a like. It helps others simplify their space too. Next, designing a full apartment room by room. This is the Urban Leaf. Growing calm in small spaces.